Hello everyone, I'm Bobby from Chogori Asian Singapore. Welcome to Vietnam Auto Expo 2025, where innovation meets opportunity. Let me give you a quick tour of Chogori's latest EV connector solutions, designed to help you build smarter, safer, and more competitive products. So first up, our first generation large series. It is available in 2+4 or 2+1+5 configurations. It supports up to 45 amperes and comes in both 90 degrees and 180 degree plug types. These are field proven, trusted, and simple. Next, the Mate 60 second generation series. This is our upgraded version, rated up to 60 amperes. It's got higher mating cycles, 3 locking nuts, and greater reliability, built for long life and safety. You need more strength and stability? From our first generation large series, we took it up a notch with developing the Large Pro with 4 locking nuts for added stability, perfect for high vibration conditions and supports up to 50 amperes. This is our Bourbon series, a powerful hybrid connector rated at 90 amperes. It is fast locking, secure, and ideal for combining power and signal. The Bangga series here handles up to 100 amperes. It is available with plug, the panel, and a waterproof cap in 90 degrees and 180 degrees layout. Here is our Type 6 connector, 25 amperes for home charging. And then this one is the 100 amperes for public fast charging. This is compliant with IEC 62196-6 and IS 17017-2-6 global standards. The features here include an NTC thermistor, and then there's a micro switch and a mechanical lock feature here. So why choose Chogori? We are trusted by leading EV OEMs in Asia. We have smart ergonomic designs with high performance and durability. Our connectors are future-ready products. So visit us at Auto Expo 2025. We'd love to see you. You visit us at booth A1 8182, get hands-on time with our connectors, and meet with our sales team. We are here to help you.